AK640SA, our machine for efficient and reliable waste wood and green waste shredding. Designed as a semi-trailer, the AK640SA can be transported quickly and at a low cost, anytime, like all the smaller models of the Doppstadt AK series. The new control display ensures maximum safety of access to the machine. You can control the AK easily with the display without having to start the engine. The standard electric pump enables the operation of various hydraulic functions. The material in-feed speed can also be optimized by the control display. The standard twin drive in the AK640SA is another technical feature which allows the load-sensing scraper floor, in combination with the feed roller, to be controlled by the flail drum. In summary, it optimizes the continuous shredding process with an increased throughput at enhanced efficiency. The speed of the feed roller can be adjusted quickly and easily to the changing requirements. Our high-speed shredder also brings the handling experience to another level. Among other things, it impresses with an intelligent radio remote control. The simple one-man operation ensures that the machine settings can be adjusted and read without having to leave the driver's cabin. It takes over the control of all relevant machine functions. In order to operate the AK even more efficiently, the grinder can be equipped with optional foot pedal kit. They can perform two tasks. First, it enables the hydraulic drive to move the machine. The second one allows the manual reversing of the infeed. It's a useful addition in case of challenging materials to keep full control of shredding, while both hands of the driver can stay on the excavator or wheel loader control. Our AK640SA is the perfect combination of performance, durability and technical innovation. As a partner on your site, the AK shreds waste wood and green waste always, efficiently and reliably.